The Future of Customer Experience: How Artificial Intelligence is Shaping the Latest Trends, Part 1 of 3. Introduction. The landscape of customer experience is significantly transformed by the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence technology. AI is revolutionizing various aspects of CX, from chatbots to intelligent virtual assistants, helping businesses create more seamless and personalized customer experiences. In this deck, we'll explore the latest trends in AI-driven CX, discuss the importance of CX measurement, and examine the benefits and challenges of adopting AI technologies to enhance customer experience. 1. The rising significance of customer experience. Customer experience has emerged as a crucial differentiator for businesses across the globe, with an increasing number of companies focusing on delivering exceptional CX to bolster brand loyalty and gain a competitive advantage. A study by ZK Research reveals that 90% of companies now compete based on customer experience, a substantial increase from 28% just 5 years ago. Moreover, 2/3 of millennials will likely switch brand loyalties after a single negative experience. 2. The role of AI in shaping customer experience. As businesses work towards enhancing customer experience, AI has become an essential tool in achieving this objective. By the end of 2023, 78% of organizations plan to invest in AI to improve their CX. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data and learn from it enables rapid personalization of customer interactions. AI-driven tools like natural language processing, NLP, and large language models, LLMs, have made AI more accessible to a broader range of businesses, democratizing the technology and unlocking new possibilities for improving customer experience. 3. Measuring CX. Shifting from traditional to outcome-based metrics. The emergence of AI in CX has prompted a change in how businesses measure customer experience. Traditional performance metrics, such as average handle time and first call resolution, are becoming increasingly irrelevant as AI allows contact centers to manage more complex transactions in a single interaction. Consequently, businesses are transitioning from efficiency to outcome-based metrics, focusing on the customer's journey and overall satisfaction. 4. Artificial intelligence's impact on CX measurement. AI is vital in transforming CX measurement by offering valuable insights into customer behavior and preferences. By analyzing customer data, AI can help businesses identify patterns and trends, empowering them to make more informed decisions about enhancing their customer experience. We can now see the customer's journey in its entirety and move towards contributing to the successful customer outcome rather than old-style efficiency-based metrics based on tasks and activity. Additionally, AI-driven analytics tools can assist companies in tracking the performance of their customer service agents and pinpointing areas for improvement. In Part 2 of 3, we will review how to become more outside in within contact centers and across the entirety of the customer experience. You can now download the transcript for Part 1 and we look forward to seeing you in Part 2 soon.